Good morning, everyone. I'd like to thank each and every one of you that has participated in the Sacred Sisters Scholarship Fundraiser. This scholarship, whatever amount it may be, will be a true blessing, and I'm honored to be blessed with this award. My senior year has been full of stressful finances, such as prom, college application fees, housing deposits, and car repairs, and many more to come. I took part of the Rites of Passage program about 5 years ago, and I totally forgot that I would be awarded the scholarship about 5 years later, until I met Miss Tania Kazi Bush again at a high school basketball game, where she reminded me of this particular scholarship opportunity. Now, a couple of things I remember learning from the Rites of Passage program was to love my body, embrace my weaknesses as an individual, and turn them into strengths, and also to overcome my insecureness and to emphasize that my black is beautiful. I'd like to thank Miss Tania Kazi Bush for inviting me to such a powerful journey that has made an impact on my life. I would also like to thank God for putting you all in a position to bless me. So thank you all again, and may God be with you all.